Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can see who viewed your TikTok videos in a TikTok account. So you want to know who is watching your TikTok videos, you want to figure out the people that are watching your TikTok videos, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to view the people that are watching your TikTok videos in very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no time doing it. In TikTok, you cannot see exactly who viewed your videos. Earlier, TikTok had an option they used to show exactly the username and the name of the person that viewed your videos, but nowadays they have removed that option and they have brought a broader overview of the content that you're uploading. So you really can't see the exact person who's watched your video, but you can see the age group or the type of people that are watching the video. So if you want to know that, follow the steps I do. So the first thing you want to do is open a TikTok application. Once you open a TikTok application, log into the account that you want to check the people you're watching the videos from. Once you log into the account, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you land on your profile. Here you'll see the contents that you've uploaded now. And from here, what you want to do is tap on the three bars at the top right corner of the screen. Then go into Create a Tools option. Once you go into Create a Tools option, you land on an interface like this. Here the first option you'll see will be labeled as Analytics. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you can see all the analysis of the content you're uploading, all the videos you're uploading. Here you'll have all the analytics of your account. Here you can go into the contents menu and see the analytics of the specific videos that you want to see. Then you'll have the options of followers, then you have the options of live. So this is how you check who watched your videos or who viewed your TikTok videos in your TikTok account. So that was the simple steps in order to do that. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.